Welcome back. If you've ever glanced in the mirror and wondered why those dark circles just won't go away, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're cutting through the confusion about dark circles under your eyes. Whether you call them panda eyes, tired eyes, or just those pesky shadows, we're here to get to the bottom of what's really going on. Tired of waking up to those stubborn shadows? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with under-eye circles, and it's not just about lack of sleep. There's a lot more to the story. There's a lot of hype out there. Miracle creams, odd home remedies, and endless advice from friends and influencers. But what actually works, and what's just a waste of time and money? I'll break down the real science behind dark circles and share 7 proven ways to minimize them. We'll look at what causes them, why some people are more prone than others, and which solutions are truly backed by research. From simple lifestyle tweaks to key skincare ingredients, you'll get practical, evidence-based tips you can start using today. Small changes can make a big difference. Plus, stick around for a bonus mistake that could be making your circles worse, one that most people don't even realize they're making. Let's dive in, starting with the foundation of under-eye health, so you can finally say goodbye to those panda eyes and feel confident in your skin. First up, sleep. It's something we all need, but often don't get enough of. In our busy lives, sleep is usually the first thing we sacrifice, but it's actually one of the most important pillars of health and beauty. It's not just a cliché, it's science. Research shows that sleep is essential for your body to repair itself, regulate hormones, and keep your skin looking its best. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which dilates blood vessels under your eyes, making circles look darker. This is why those late nights or restless sleep can show up so clearly on your face the next morning. Lack of sleep also causes fluid retention, leading to puffiness and deeper shadows. Over time, this can make you look more tired and older than you really are. The fix? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality, restorative sleep each night. This gives your body the time it needs to heal, refresh, and recharge for the day ahead. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling rested. Make your bedroom a tech-free, relaxing space. Avoid screens before bed, dim the lights, and try reading or meditating to wind down. Prioritize deep sleep to help your body repair and reduce under-eye darkness. Deep sleep is when your body does most of its healing, so create an environment that supports it, cool, dark, and quiet. It's the simplest, most effective step you can take for your appearance and your overall well-being. You'll wake up looking and feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. It's the foundation for healthy skin, bright eyes, and a happier mood. But if you do wake up looking tired, don't worry. Let's move to a quick fix for those rough mornings. Woke up puffy? Grab a cold compress. Cold constricts blood vessels, making them less visible and reducing darkness. It also helps drain excess fluid, cutting down on puffiness fast. Use a chilled washcloth, cold spoons, or a wrapped bag of frozen peas. Never apply ice directly. Hold it gently under your eyes for 10-15 minutes. It's not a cure, but it's a reliable quick fix for tired eyes. Perfect for mornings when you need to look refreshed. Simple, cheap, and effective. Now, let's talk about a topical powerhouse: caffeine. Caffeine isn't just for your coffee, it's a game changer for your eyes. In eye creams, caffeine constricts blood vessels, reducing dark circles and puffiness. It's also an antioxidant, protecting skin from damage and supporting collagen. Plus, it helps draw out excess fluid, depuffing the area. Look for caffeine in your eye cream and apply gently with your ring finger. Use it every morning for best results. Think of it as a shot of espresso for your under eyes. Next, let's tackle hydration from the inside out. Hydration is key. Dehydrated skin looks dull, thin, and makes dark circles worse. When your skin lacks moisture, it loses its elasticity and vibrancy, making you look more tired than you actually are. When you're low on water, under-eye skin sinks and blood vessels show more. This can make dark circles appear more prominent and give your face a fatigued look. Dehydration can also cause puffiness as your body tries to hold on to fluid. This is your body's way of trying to compensate for the lack of hydration, leading to swollen and puffy eyes. The solution? Drink water consistently throughout the day, Aim for about 2 liters. Keeping yourself hydrated helps maintain skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Eat water-rich foods like cucumber. These foods not only hydrate your body, but also provide essential nutrients that benefit your skin. Eat water-rich foods like watermelon. Watermelon is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Keep a water bottle handy as a reminder. Having water within reach encourages you to drink more frequently, ensuring you stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydrated skin is plumper, healthier, and less prone to dark circles. Proper hydration can make a noticeable difference in your overall appearance and skin health. It's a simple fix with big results. By making hydration a priority, you can achieve a more youthful and vibrant look. Now, let's talk about protecting your eyes from the sun. Sun protection is another crucial step in maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Sun exposure is a major cause of brownish dark circles. Think hyperpigmentation. UV rays trigger melanin production, darkening the under-eye area and thinning the skin. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30+ up to your lower lash line daily. Choose mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for sensitive skin. Wear sunglasses with 100% UVA/UVB protection and large frames for extra coverage. Sun protection prevents both pigment and thinning, double defense. Make it a daily habit for brighter, healthier eyes. Next, let's see how your diet plays a role. Nutrition matters. What you eat shows up under your eyes. Vitamin K, leafy greens, may help strengthen capillaries and reduce dark circles. Vitamin C, citrus, peppers, boosts collagen and brightens skin. Vitamin E, nuts, seeds, avocados, protects and heals the skin barrier. Cut back on salt and alcohol to avoid puffiness and dehydration. Focus on whole foods, colorful fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Over time, good nutrition builds resilient, glowing skin. It's not instant, but it's powerful. But what if nothing seems to work? Tried everything and still have stubborn dark circles? Time to see a dermatologist. They'll pinpoint the cause, vascular, pigmented, or structural, and tailor treatment. Prescription creams, chemical peels, or lasers can target pigment and blood vessels. Dermal fillers can restore lost volume and reduce shadows. A pro can also rule out medical issues like allergies or anemia. Don't guess. Get expert advice for lasting results. It's proactive, not a failure. Now let's wrap up with your action plan. Here's your toolkit. Prioritize sleep use. Cold compresses, apply caffeine creams. Stay hydrated, protect from sun, eat well, and seek help if needed. Bonus tip: don't rub your eyes. It breaks blood vessels and worsens circles. Be gentle with your skin. What's worked for you? Drop your tips or questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time. Brighter eyes are just a few habits away.